Hello dear children, very good afternoon. I am L.K. Tripathi from LPM Public School. I will start the new video for you of Geography chapter 4. In this video, we shall see the power resources. This video will provide us knowledge about the types of resources. Generally, two types of resources are there through which we fulfill our needs. They are renewable and non-renewable. We shall study through this video about renewable and non-renewable resources. So let's start the chapter. Mineral fuels, especially fossil fuels, are mainly used across the world to provide most of the energy to run machines for communication and industrial purposes. This is such a mineral, that is fossil fuels, which is prepared from the remains of the animals and trees. This type of fuel is used largely by the entire world. Due to increasing population and industrialization, the demand for energy is also increasing rapidly. Energy or power resources might be renewable or non-renewable. Day by day, the demand of energy is increasing in the world. So, to fulfill the requirement of all the country of the world is becoming difficult. Anyway, we have two types of energy, renewable and non-renewable. Mineral fuels are non-renewable. मतलब gas, petroleum, coal, lubricants, these are such minerals which can't be used again आफ्टर वंस यूज्ड. एक बार प्रयोग कर लिए तो इसको दोबारा प्रयोग नहीं कर सकते. द थ्री फॉसिल फ्यूल्स पेट्रोलियम, कोल एंड नेचुरल गैस अकाउंट फॉर 80%. मीन्स दे आर अवेलेबल इन 80% फॉर द ग्लोबल एनर्जी यूज. 5% इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय यूरेनियम. Another major mineral fuel like nuclear source. Only 5% uranium and nuclear energy is available to generate powers. The remaining 15% is provided by renewable sources such as hydropower, wind and solar energy. Newer sources such as biofuels and biomass are also renewable. These two types of sources are also renewable. Biofuels prepared from the cow dung and biomass from other sources of the earth. We prepare like leaves, remains of the hills. Such types of things are used to prepare biomass. So we have seen what types of energy are available on the earth and in which number. Now we shall see the non-renewable sources, that is petroleum first. Petroleum, also referred to as black gold or liquid gold, is the most important source of energy in the world at present. Major factors that account for its significance are as follows. The major factors to use petroleum are such points. Therefore, this energy is very much important for all to use. Without non-petroleum, we cannot fulfill the requirement of our need. So many machines are there, so many engines are there, including industries, communication, and motor vehicles engines. We can't run without it. It provides fuel for heating and lighting and generates thermal power. Without this petroleum, it is not possible. It is used as a lubricant for machinery. मशीन के लुब्रिकेंट का काम लेते हैं इससे, जिसमें ऑयल जो सॉलिड ऑयल होता है, मोटा ऑयल जैसे मोबिल ऑयल. इट प्रोवाइड्स रॉ मटेरियल्स फॉर ए नंबर ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज such as petrochemicals, synthetic fibers, fertilizers, etc. It is required for producing all such types of things. It has a wide range of domestic uses. For example, cooking, heating, etc. It provides motive power for vehicle. To run the vehicle, also this is the most important source of energy. This is also very important to use. Petroleum and natural gas are usually formed together from the remains of animals. From the remains of the animals which have been buried millions and millions years ago inside earth, and they are processed as the fuels, as the source of energy for use. These accumulate, decompose and remain trapped in rocks. जो डिकम्पोज और ट्रैप्ड हो चुके हैं, ज़मीन के नीचे जा चुके हैं, ये इससे तैयार किए जाते हैं फॉसिल फ्यूल्स. Petrol is an important fossil fuel and a complex mix of hydrocarbons that occur in liquid, gas and solid forms. Both petroleum and natural gas come from the same organism. ये सेम ऑर्गेनिज्म मतलब रिमेन्स ऑफ एनिमल्स जो बरीड हो चुके हैं ज़मीन के नीचे लाखों हज़ारों साल पहले, उन्हीं से तैयार होता है. एंड दे आर फाउंड जनरली इन सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स. ऑफन पेट्रोलियम इज रेफर टू एज क्रूड ऑयल. पेट्रोलियम को क्रूड ऑयल भी कहते हैं, कच्चा तेल भी कहते हैं, और इसका बहुत सारा यूज़ है. इसकी सप्लाई नेटवर्क से की जाती है, पाइपलाइन के नेटवर्किंग से की जाती है. सो मैनी नेटवर्किंग आर देयर टू सप्लाई. पेट्रोल प्रोवाइड ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ एनर्जी प्रोडक्ट्स सच एज पेट्रोल, डीजल, केरोसिन एंड एविएशन फ्यूल. एविएशन फ्यूल मीन्स वो फ्यूल जिससे हम जहाज़ को उड़ाने के काम में लेते हैं, उसका पेट्रोल अलग आता है. दैट इज़ वेरी सुपीरियर क्वालिटी पेट्रोल, also known the white petrol, that is not used in general engine or machine. It is also used for lubricants, chemicals and paraphenyl. Asphalt and paraffin are obtained from the residue. The principal petroleum producing countries is the world are in the Persian Gulf region. पूरे विश्व में पर्शियन गल्फ, जो पर्शिया का रीजन है, फारस की खाड़ी जिसको बोल सकते हैं, सऊदी अरबिया में, ईरान इराक में, बहरीन में, ये इलाके हैं जहाँ से हम पेट्रोलियम बड़ी मात्रा में, कतर है यहाँ से हम लेते हैं, उसमें कुवैत भी है. और नॉट ओनली दैट, some American and European countries also there, they produce petroleum like UK, Russia, China, Indonesia, Egypt, Libya, Myanmar and Brazil. These are such countries from where petroleum, but the largest producer of petroleum, largest finding sites are Gulf of Persia, including Bahrain, Qatar, Doha, Iran, Iraq, there. In India also somewhere it is found, but that is in very short number, not enough to demand the country's need. You will find petroleum field in eastern Assam, in Gujarat and offshore in the Arabian Sea. जैसे बॉम्बे हाई है, वहाँ पर इसको पाया जा सकता है. These three areas account for nearly the entire oil output in India. Other places include Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh. In very little number we can find or obtain these things. Now let us see coal. This fossil fuel is found in layers of varying thickness in beds of sedimentary rocks. Its distribution is high, uneven in many parts of the world. एक जैसा इसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है, अनइवन है, मतलब पार्टली इट इज़ फाउंड इन द वर्ल्ड एंड लेयर्स ऑफ फॉसिल फ्यूल वायरिंग थिकनेस, इसके मोटाई पर वैरी करता है, कितना इसका बेड मोटा है, उस तरह की इसकी अवेलेबिलिटी होती है. It is solid and black or brown in color. Coal is widely used to generate thermal electricity. Different climatic conditions, types of vegetation, and the time factor cause the formation of different kinds of coal. Peat, lignite, bituminous, and anthracite are the four main types of coal. Coal is not of the same quality. It is of different quality and depend upon the climatic condition of the type of vegetation and time factor. The quality of coal is prepared there. We have finished this video up to this point. Rest we shall see tomorrow. Till then, you have to do your prescribed task at home, prepare your copies and all that which is given to you, and separate assignment is also given from the last day. That all must be prepared by you. Thank you very much.